We have a couple imports that we want to do. We're going to import Java util, the collections class. Import Java util ArrayList class. I'll type a few lines and then I'll let you catch up. We're going to make an array list of integers. Call it nums. Equals new array list of integers. And you need those parentheses at the end. We're not going to make a class, so I'm going to close this out. And we're going to add some numbers. We're going to add 10 numbers. So let's utilize our copy paste here. So I'll just write it. I'll type it once. Copy 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And then we'll just go change the numbers. So a little tedious, but we'll get the job done here. I got 1, 8, 10, 6, and 2. Oh, and I spelled it wrong, so I'm going to have to redo it. No big deal. I just did a copy paste. Glad I didn't get too far. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 8. 10. 6. And 2. And then the next row that I have is 5, 3, 4, 7, 9. 3. Probably been easier to read from a file, but this is what I chose to do, I guess. Let's print it and take a look. All right, there we go. I'll make it fit. Sort, collections. Sort, nums. Print it. Whoop. And you can see that it is sorted from least to greatest. There we go. We can do this. Am I going too fast? Everybody good? Slow me down if you want me to. That's fine. System out. Print line collections. Got to be capitalized. Binary search. And we're searching in nums and we're searching for the number 7. And that should return the index. So 7 is in index 6. So that last line should say 6. Here's a weird one. Collections.rotate. Nums, comma, rotate 2. And that's 2 right. 2 spaces to the right. Did I spell collections wrong? Oh, no, it just didn't catch up. Let's print it out and see what happened. Every number got pushed 2 to the right. So the very end one goes back to the beginning and then one more space since I'm pushing it 2 to the right. So 10 got pushed 1, 2 spaces. 1 got pushed 2 spaces. Everybody got pushed 2 spaces to the right. So if it's at the very end, it goes back to the beginning. Now, if we want to put everything back, we just go -2. So collections, rotate nums, go back -2, and it'll be right back where it started. Because now it'll go to the left. There we go. Now it's back to where it started. Other things we can do. Contains. We've seen contains before. And this is not a collection, but this is an ArrayList class. So we go system, out, print line. Nums contains. Does it contain the number 4? And that should be true. It's a Boolean. So this is Boolean. So the last line should say true. All right, so if we do a copy paste, and does it contain the number 11? That should be false. There we go. There's the false. A couple more and then we're done. Quick notes today. Nums dot index of. Index of, not or, of the number 6. So that should be 5. There we go. Here we go. There's 5, and then if we do a copy paste, and we're searching for maybe the number 11. Am I going too fast? Everybody good? Number 11, that should be -1. In other words, not found. There we go. There's the -1. -1's pretty standard for not found in Java. All right, the last one. I saved this one for the last because it fills everything with the number 5. So fill nums with the number 5, and it gets rid of all of our values. That's why I saved this for last. So this is a collections method, and when we print it, you'll see that every number is now 5. There we go. Why would we want that? I have no idea. Yeah, I guess we could set it all to zeros again and have the same amount of cells in there. Sure. Pass those down. Yeah. It's a class that has methods for ArrayLists.
Okay.
Collections is a class that has operations or methods that we can use with ArrayLists.
All right, thank you.
Good question. All right. Do I have this open? I do. This is the first page if I hand it to you upside down. I think I didn't. Okay. Insertion sort. Insertion inserts the number where it belongs. and it does multiple swaps if it has to get there. So we actually look at the second one first. And so 1 will be put where it belongs. So it goes 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5. Okay, we got that sorted. Then it goes to the 2, puts that where it belongs by doing a swap. So we got that space done, that space done. Now we're going to put 6 where it belongs, which it's where it belongs. So you don't see a change there. Nothing happened. Then we put 4, insert 4 where it belongs. And then finally insert 5 where it belongs. There's insertion sort. So we're inserting it where it belongs, and we're doing it one at a time. But it keeps swap, 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 swap as many times as it needs to get to where it belongs. That's the algorithm. All you have to know is how it works, like this. Selection sort, it takes the first cell, so to speak. It goes and it finds the lowest value. Now, if this happens to be the lowest value, then nothing happens. It goes and it finds the lowest value and swaps with that lowest value. So it'll go 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5. Okay, now it swaps with the lowest value on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5. Then it swaps with the lowest value on that one, but that is the lowest value, so nothing really happens on that pass through. Swaps with the lowest value here, 4, 6, 5. Swaps here, and then it's done. So that's selection sort. It selects the lowest value and does one swap. All right, your turn. How about a selection sort on that list? What would that look like? Here's what I get, selection. So it's a, did I do that right? Did I swap? I think I did. Let me see, let me make sure I did that right. 1, 3, then it swaps with 2, 3. Then 6 swaps with, I think I did that right. All right, let's try the selection. So it selects and swaps. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. There's the first swap. So swap with the lowest. Swap with the lowest. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. So 5 gets put way over there. Select the lowest and swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you'll see no change because it got put in there. It got sorted early. Probably not a great example. There we go. That's insertion. Goes left. All right, so try insertion. Sort with this. What is that going to look like? So insert, 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 and this one gets done a little early too.